Hi folks, this is Van Pearsall. I'm the owner and proprietor of Thumper Jigs. We're here at Ross Barnett Reservoir at the first annual jig tying contest put on by Mr. Mike Jones. This is a tremendous impoundment down here in Mississippi. If you're familiar with Mississippi, it means big fish. So I'm going to tell you what, we've got some hand-tied synthetics jig here, and the reason you'd want to use this is just like this. When you're fishing on a sunny day with a little bit of stained water and you're fishing this pole timber or these poles like we got here, them fish are going to hold on them poles, and if they're in a stubborn mood, you want this flash. You want that sun and that flash to react and catch that fish's interest. You know, there's a lot of shiners. If you buy shiners and use them, you know they got some gold in them. This particular jig is called Kentucky Bourbon. It's brown and gold, and it's the ticket for fishing this murky water and in the sunshine. This here one's another one that we use on Mark Twain Lake. It's real popular down there at Truman. This is called Cajun Moon. It's a green and orange with a little bit of gold in it for the same reason. That fish wants, if you move that jig and it flashes that fish, he's going to react to it. And in this stained water, he's going to kill it or let it go.